Alright, day 5 of workout. So, we're going to do sprints today, which is actually really fun. I love sprints. I find them way more enjoyable than just regular running. So we're going to do sprints. You're going to take that 1 mile assessment I had you do on day 1. You're going to take that time, you're going to divide that by 4 and multiply that by 0.8, and that's going to be your time for a 1/4 mile. I'm going to repeat that. You're going to take the time from your 1 mile assessment, divide that by 4, multiply that by 8, and that's going to be your time for 1/4 mile. So you're going to be doing 5 of these sprints, and in between them you're going to walk a 1/4 mile. And the walk is not going to be just like dilly-dallying along. You're going to be walking at a brisk pace. You need to walk it at a brisk pace. And if you're on the treadmill, you should not be walking anywhere under 4 miles per hour. So remember that. So if you're walking regularly, like on a track or on a trail or something, or just on the sidewalk, remember you're walking at a brisk pace. You're not running. You're walking at a brisk pace. So I actually started this program 10 weeks ago, and I'm repeating it again, and for you guys and for me, because I need to. So when I started this program 10 weeks ago, I was getting a 24-minute 2 miles. So I was getting a 12-minute 1 mile. That was my first 1 mile assessment. So if you are slow like me, you're going to be okay, because 10 weeks ago, that was my time. And then I was doing these sprints, I was doing these runs, I was doing these sit-ups and push-ups. And guess what? I sped up by a couple minutes just doing this program. So now I have a 9-minute and 25-second 1 mile instead of a 12-minute. I was pretty much on the dot on that. It was 12-minute 0.1. I just subtracted 0.1 on that, but instead of a 12-minute 1 mile, I'm getting a 9-minute and 25 seconds. So you guys can do that too. I'm going to hopefully speed that up by a whole lot more before I hit basic. So you're going to be doing these sprints 5 times. Remember, 5 times. If you do not make your time, you are going to repeat that sprint. Not immediately. You're going to take that 1/4 mile walk. You're going to take that. You're going to sprint another 1/4 mile a second time. So you're going to be doing 6 sets instead of 1 set. 5 sets. So every time you don't make that 1/4 mile in the time you have set, you are going to repeat that until you get it. And you're going to be tired, but you're going to push yourself, because it is better to push yourself on your own terms. And I'm quoting somebody here. Can't remember who. It's better to push yourself on your own terms than on the terms of the drill sergeants. So if you are not physically fit, from what I hear, you don't want to be pushed by them. So we're going to do these 1/4 miles. It can be fun. My dog is trying to play with me, so that's what that was. You're going to save the time that you're getting your 1/4 mile. You're going to save that, because you're going to up your speed for sprints in 2 weeks. You're going to up your speed for sprints in 2 weeks, okay? You're going to get faster. You're going to see your 20-minute 20-minute run is going to end up being a lot more miles by the end. And you're going to actually running longer runs by the end too. So you're going to be running for longer periods of time. You're going to be running faster. And if you really want to do it with a person and another person, that is great. I strongly suggest it, because it is so much more fun. So let's get running. We're sprinting.